I haven't vlogged anything today. I was like, oh my god, I didn't vlog. How bad of me? Yeah. Going to the Ozone right now to do the shell program. That's basically it. Also, not today, tomorrow, because, well, basically, it costs a lot of money, first of all. Second of all, I don't know, I've been sick a couple of days ago, and I'm like, stop. So, not today, but tomorrow I'm going to quit smoking. How am I going to do that? Because I can't just quit 1, 2, 3. I can't do that. So what I'm going to do is going to get some health thingy things to stop smoking. And it's called a super smoker. It's a cigarette, electric one, which is better than a cigarette, and yeah, so I'm going to get rid of all the stuff in my house. Still have a big pot with little pieces of tobacco, and I'm gonna throw that away. A few more, what's it called? Cigarette thingies. So yeah, I'm going to do this. I'm going to try to do this. I forgot to say that. I'm going to try to stop smoking. Now it's going to be ridiculous hard. Ridiculously hard. But yeah, I just need to do this. Let's hope I make it. Let's hope I can do this. Ah, I'm scared. Kinda, a little bit. So yeah. Especially GPS. Especially when I heard they have more taste cigarettes. I'm like, what? Vanilla. They have vanilla. No, don't do that. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye. So me and Logan are going to bed. I know I haven't vlogged very much today. So sorry for that. I was so busy with the child program and stuff. So yeah. Logan is being cute. Okay. You want hugs? Want hugs? Want hugs? Yeah. Do you? Do you? Do you? Adjabata? No. Good. Ah. Good. Ah. 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 No. Adjabata. Hey, Logan! Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop. Stop. Calm down. Da-da. No. 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 I want to give you hugs. Yeah. That's better. No biting. That's better. That's better. Good. Good, Logan. Good. Good job. Good. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Good. He's trying to learn. Good. Good. You're sweet. You're sweet. Love you. Love you. Good job. Good job. Good. Good. Okay. We're going to sleep. We're going to sleep now. Right? So see you guys tomorrow.